asamuna si kai chese madwena mentiase asamuno wow Charles Kwajofosu owu di asam aba Charles Kwajofosu wowu ama ene amanfo chese aye give and take aye back to back aye say hey Ghana awurade Ghana hey Mr. Da yebesi Daddy Lumba no minim sa asem besi this is Ghana police omo ye ka ne sense black D no Maria no this omo ye ne ready e sense me sure say sa black Maria no omo ankom kura no nye ni nipa be 200 I tell you me do nyame amafo bekom socket lawyer Kusi versus Honorable the funeral manager say funeral committee D&D no awurade Nyankopon say nko me say abusua enye izo ewo peace FM na generals for the mudi echi a ne wu be hunu nya bi ni o se mudi echi a yebema makuntoko bi a chese mo bedwene ho amonti ase yebema muti abubom na etore ye hwemo hwe ye djuma no masa asem agi grim ni nyina ne sen se ye nyina nim se Daddy Lumba meka se the late Daddy Lumba na ye ne ho ntotoye no na senia ye maami akosi asewa ni lawyer woni ye be friend se honorable oni na yesi se ohwe ayie no ho ntotoye no anoma awurade Nyankopon socket eye pa chese sa nkofo mienu e se omudi omukogina ringim na ehwe ne betimi abo obi ne ne buro no ano be yehye ebe pa because eye heat no waje so eye heat esansa ansem no me catch ro se age graw ano ayehye papa ni nyina ne sen Peace FM for na omo atonsa afre lawyer Kusi ayefre no ballisto se hwan lawyer for no so omo wodi bebra de frefre wo omo kasa ni koso se na lawyer na si ato bombo no me hunu lawyer wa ni ti bom saada me hunu bi da sa lawyer we masa akwani ti bom rough lawyer Kusi ti bom lawyer Kusi ti bom na me say Honorable so ba ya no hey me say sa cruise mi na da bi me say enya sa ntoko be so mo ntoko bi hye dada because enkade we ntimi ma sa nkrofo mi enu we no omo give and take isa to say yes tita hey media no so aye say kopim brese e be se Daddy Lumba no masa ensembe pie mesinsembe pie woni me pese me kasa ma me kasa ye tententen Peace FM emra omo fele lawyer Kusi na lawyer Kusi di nsem senia lawyer Kusi si hwie bombu gu ho no mo na osi dese amanfo no na ye wie na ye frɛ honorable so no dien ene ekosi ye na me ka kire se ha ye akofena media nkwa na benya nia lawyer Kusi oni honorable ni esi wo montamu no sanya akofena media wunya no ba bibia enti so on subscribe ma akofena media Mr. subscribe fama akofena media uwia notification bell no na watene no on na wo de ama akofena media afi bomodena se obehye e de amayen yankwae na nsema lawyer Kusi hwiegu ho e wo Peace FM na ye frɛ no wogina ahoma no so no yenkonko tie nsema hwiegu ho na afi ye wia honorable so no nsem ben e no so no odane enye honorable kenere Japan wo we ye honorable funeral honorable yenkonko tie ono so no nsem a honorable hwie edibu ho no mo e ma yen era mase di machiri yenkonko hwe video no kotie waso mu nsem lawyer Kusi akwadi di bom raw fire osigigim
nsem ene akuzo se wa ni aba ayi akuzo Lumba ni aba
akuzo abrepoma
yes ene ni wo fa chochomucho a friend Robert And someone can not just a more party themselves, or committee members, or mere coordinators, they have nothing to do with the family. And so, Oma, to the human in change, and Omugani funeral without them. And they are not happy.
But I know so many Zomati committee.
So I come to Zomati, one a mandate of Zomati committee, and I was happening. On no one was happening. So, on what in the committee, because it's our go on the Lumba. Then in your Bermati, in your bow, no offer, no mechanical offer, no mammy in your Berma. So, what do you mean, sound when Uncle Flower was on the committee?
But I don't know how can say what questions are because I mean members your more committee so you say Penya vice chairman committee no chechi no representation we honum seeing akosia
chairman committee we
ora Collins Amankwa
oya buziani odo buziani obi onye buziani timbe vice chairman of a committee planning obi ayi nane wafa enka ho nane bia ma enka ho nane wafa asibi enka ho ye ka se akofa wa sa fe wati mase
basa papa shi nsu wom onu so se wonu so ebusuani ana
o by office and he's complaining because the decisions are taken without them, even though they are led to be members of the committee or some call president or president yeni shesi so ka se chief of staff no move with the president I say no can say o kind of wa. Let us learn to do what is right. So I remember papa we obetimi akoso ya with the president ko here you
which means Abusuapanin ninji committee ni kura mate no ninji ho.
It is an illegitimate committee that has opened an account that is dealing with the funds of Lumba's funeral in a manner that they don't accept. One of the committee members said, "Obi and so can be said, who is Pabra."
Mpacho, council, we say it's an illegitimate committee.
Yes.
How?
Because it's not sanctioned by the family.
No, committee Abusuapanin was so now say illegitimate.
Abusuapanin constitute two family. Can the Abusuapanin alone constitute a family?
I see Dabuate was so Dabuate was see a Lumba Akosua say wa ne brother. And I see they illegitimate.
And Dabuate take a decision. Young consult no. Is that a committee? And Odo Broni Abusuapanin ne papa I am from Yensa na sofo ni nua bema.
According to vice chairman I see ni papa pen was so.
Oh, but I listen to the vice chairman. Or say or the ahemfu biaba. Why na
the ahemfu
Odo Broni papa.
That's not what he said.
That is what he said to my hearing. Menene ka so UTV. I don't know which medium you heard him, but I'm telling you what I heard. And the people have just left my office. Papa Shi, Boite, and one of his uncles. They just left my office. And they are complaining.
So are they complaining about people like Jiga, Nana Safo,
They are complaining about the strangers in the committee who are making the decisions, including the one you have called the vice chairman. Busybodies, no more committees. They are complaining about them.
And now she will be Jessica. Obi account to Jessica.
Funeral 1 week Ghana could be accounts. That is what I'm told today. There was secrecy to the account, which does not include any of the family members. The head of family of somebody. So if you draw a cash without the notice of the rest.
This is a serious allegation.
It is not an allegation. It's a fact. You can call them and ask them.
So, counsel, you have evidence on maybe account.
Carl Bank account. They are complaining. And I think that we should listen to their complaints and make sure that we resolve it to avoid this confusion.
Ah, I know Mako be account, sir, be car bank and one more Jessica.
But we are journalists, you can investigate whether there's a car bank account that has been opened in respect of Lumba's funeral. You can ask. And some of them may be a baby, I can't even disclose some of them.
And Pacho,
the people for that will tell me from 28,000 out of the fund that has been gathered for the funeral.
I Abusuapanin aware, sir, I deal with you now.
Yes. On one person for that hotel, you can ask him.
Abusuapanin.
Yes.
Okoda Hotel, Jessica, like Sikana.
For the period, no bear one week for that hotel. For Jessica.
Hey.
You can ask him.
Wow. This is serious.
And the right thing must be done. Or this year, we are never Abusuapanin going to Abusuapanin. When you talk to Chokra, the year you are the normal Abusuapanin man, you know, Mapruba. Abusuapanin does not constitute a committee without the sibling, without its direct anchor. And all of them will be protesting. What if that? We said it, set a date without consulting them, whether it will be good for them or not. Now, do you know what they told me?
Debut.
They said Daddy Lumba and Abusuapanin no Yaka before he's dead.
Daddy Lumba no near Abusuapanin Kasa.
Abusuapanin no.
Answer now about Konu no near Abusuapanin Kasa.
No Monkasa.
Aden.
So no social media.
But I want to catch him in the telephone. Tell me, Busawi.
I'm so back at him.
But I want to catch him.
It had to do with Akunabian Daddy Lumba Copedi. And one disagreement. And on any Casabium.
But I want to see Lumba no near Kosha one soon Kasa before Beku.
Nina Barney saw a friend 2 days before his death. He surprised his death because he called him 2 days. Nah.
David, Missy, almost no one near Kosha one soon Kasa before Beku.
No Makasa, no, so 2 accord, Germany. In fact, one more me interviews him to one will be how many times. There's no Lumba or relocate or relocate on the uniform.
Oh, but say,
yes, or Pama Coast, Odo Broni free.
But lawyer, science me out radio show can we annual lawyer.
Now they social media I want to hear.
But social media say now. Oh, lawyer.
And I want to question every social media question every time. You are asking all the facts that I know, and I'm narrating them to you.
This now say where a man from Abomaniam.
He was going to relocate to Germany to live with Akosa Sewa.
When you be no can ask him chiro.
Now so the Akosa in the you be the Kajdo.
That be me busa asemo.
Misume can asemo. Once he say Tony Akosa Sewa nka, that will be na Kajdo. Anamebwa.
Me busa no one chire me. No, some media me century me busa no imano.
Also die. No me and Santani me so who be them and my Kajdo.
There will say we menim na ujina ma Akosa Sewa.
And I make the minimum and then wouldn't be. Let me be sincere with you. Most of the things I'm saying, I heard them today. The family was there, all of them.
And you believe all of them?
Oh, why would a family member lie? What for? What is the benefit they will get from lying? May I have advised them severally? Because at the end of the day, it is peace we want. And we want the funeral to be conducted in December as planned. And everything we are doing said that within the period of October, November, everything will be resolved. That is our game plan. But the fact of Tony Abusuapanin information, the Lumba himself has said he was relocating to Germany to live with a wife. And to tell you, to give you an indicator, on his 60th birthday, he says he made a complimentary remark about the wife. So, and also they say where the new bit of Kajamuti or Syncro said, Meya Kusa one a man and two mammy, Mayari yet, and then the Creta, old to me yet other. I know the UTV. And you know, Something that he had planned to because it's only one kasa. There were disagreements between the two. Saying that one European is out of paper. I know it's just a mojai. Mokuntoka Munjai. And there might have been disagreement. But the fact of the matter is that they are still married. There are disagreements, and Abusuapanin Sewa complaint was justifiable. What is on your body or March 17? These were the complaints, and it's justifiable.
Now, the lawyer for Sua, Umujina before I become room, one so much crack on Troy. So almost say, Lumba, who said Abusuapanin Sewa.
Lumba never instructed them. I will explain why. According to the sister, or say that there were some accusations against him. And Obi Amani engages that lawyer in respect of that Akedi. And to these other things that she said, nobody instructed her to do anything apart from that Akedi's work. And it's portrayed the PDR, Ajay, and once ever. Because Daddy Lumba instructing on the estate. Now what is a man,
Council ornament as you because are you saying that because me minti as a question then it means that Baba Jama and Associates for no one on boom Muslim tro sansem na.
Me say omo engage omo in respect of that Akedi. You see, as a lawyer, I speak to what I've been instructed. What do I say? I did not engage in home. And I said, now, why did go anyone, nobody engaged him. Those responses are bad. It is in conflict, in sharp conflict with Lumba's understanding of the relationship with the wife.
And you're not because who can see another say, Mementias and say, and someone Baba Jama and Associate Train, and same beer, one or boom, Mr. Macon.
No, but how can a lawyer say that because obedience can continue? Well, who can I give ordinance marriage? How can a lawyer, what is so say that? Don't worry, under ordinance out in Sakwa, our dinner. Was that the instruction Lumba gave more and legal understanding?
No more report on near Abusuapanin Catchroom.
I know make a chance. So I didn't tell my Abusuapanin to be cut out with out ready. But that's a problem.
Oh,
may our dear Abusuapanin was him. I will ask for the facts. Then as a lawyer, I will write whether or not our dinner go until we never Abusuapanin because in Sabanti. Well, go the one of action say a ordinance and son of the band in more. Now you don't write as though you are right. It's there. Oma Fale, protest you are Abusuapanin lawyer.
Peace FM.
Abusuapanin world need capacity. They say
okay.
We have annexed letters written by lawyers for Abusuapanin. One of the letters was saying, Lumba Bunu Kwasientino, our they don't dream married into. Or money notice or the start to divorce proceeding.
Near what Mesa and Company letterhead is no?
Yes. Notice of intention to commence legal action.
Yeah.
Does that constitute a legal action? But maybe so. Common sense guys, that didn't constitute legal action. But I consider a law office. And there's a notice of ordinance marriage between Mrs. Abusuapanin Sewa and Charles Kojoputu. Does this constitute divorce? Now, course, you bet you after the application, they will run away. We reported case of prevention of Mrs. Abusuapanin Sewa.
Now, send your car, send me another assembly who is wedding Kudimano.
I obvious. I'm lawyer, baby, some customer think could the lawyer near Onimura. Yes, no be our arena in Mua, then I was a letter to Gua. Are you a lawyer?
No, a lawyer for years because our dear no just crata, pay so my wife or crata soon, and Yama or I come my yawa dear.
Why cancer who on earth, which lawyer who has been trained by the Ghana Law School will say that? Tower dear crata, no, a movie. Open one them. Enter to marriage under the ordinance. There are several authorities to it. Obi Jawa did 20 years. Beman will be Jabadiano. And they are Yaguawa. And the lawyer because that's now in Supreme Court decisions on the matter. A crata, the workers in a crata, the boy a crata.
Okay, and Patrick, any dear ma, Gina Hanum saying Kakramamina, Honorable Collins, Owusu Amankwa, funeral coordinator, Uboni,
funeral coordinator, according to my instruction, and I'm not ready to banter with him.
I'm not saying you should banter him, Patrick, any dear ma, Patrick, any dear.
No, I'm not ready to banter with him.
I've not said to council, Patrick, being able to take a crown council.
Are you going to talk to legal matters or factual matters?
Council, and Patrick, account once a mile, okay, any diem, a tier 40, and Patrick. Account was a man. And Pacho be Nyabutre Mammy Council, Mammy Majman away in your court to them, Pacho Council. Nyabutre Council, any dear one. Honorable Owusu Amankwa, Pacho, to me come out of entertainment reviews or Peace FM survey.
I was in a Joe so.
Nempomwe
Yanko Pomado.
And Pacho, I am here funeral committee, Marco Bie account our car bank. Mwajiji sikebi ewo mu a eno no wo mo kura bia ye niam bia mo ye motwetwe bi ka ebi obi koda bebi na yetua ne ka ebi kura be 28,000 sa account yi unim hu bibi as a vice chairman ma e committee no
me da sa akosi na mesre madam akosi ase wa lawyer ne kasa nyede mesre no ba menya akwada o mesre no ena Abusuapanin nya akwada no de nemu atwitwe fom matie no ne kasa woni se enne kuma sai ko tetina ase lawyer fu e ba yi nyina me ti so obi a kasa gbegbegbe onu nko agu obi a ho fin.
No, but Pacho Caso Casa Bugger and also Pacho need there be honorable Zamanka, Caso Casa, Pacho Caso Casa Bugger, and Pacho Yania friend on the yes, but respect on also dear Maya's radio station, watch it to me any for, and tis also Bana Sesabio Casa, nice woman, Pacho be pre, honor dear, me and Canessa, Pacho.
When you say matters of this nature, no, it is a matters of fact, and you're very delicate and sensitive. And not in our 7% of no ever to no. A year no, anyone should say, and I hear Shessa Bibia Bayer Boko. Na and net court was nothing. Na court was say, the kind court clarifies that there's no injunction on the final funeral right, you know. After court these are the statements make. I don't know what it is. That court has to speak.
But your council, hello, council, hold on, Pacho. One house on person
about making comments.
And Pacho, one house on person. Debut, Messi, also person.
There's no injunction on this.
And Pacho, council, member chance now reaction because one house on person Bantan Pacho, because yes, I
didn't Metro, any dear coin so. Oh, Fremen, production, Fremen,
but Pacho,
lawyer, no, I was a Yama, yes, I'm a Pacho. No, no platform, we can say, out of court settlement is the way to go. And then, court on it, I say, Ewo Kumasi, no court or no, I say, Yankupon Yadomoa. 28 October, and I am Brabio. Now, I am Bran, of course, to say parties to the suit, no, and our parties involved. No, yes, I say your best settle our differences. Never no answer na your back to name. It is a young Naya person, you may want to spend 14 Konya. I me personally, and pay many calls, Bemi and Sabia, a free the other side, air by Chefe. Young Naya, Shekoya, your befato. Then you call the lawyer. Na waba tu jagum na waba tu jagum aden
Mpacho mo bi account biana Mpacho mo bi account biana I car bank Mpacho
Mr. Lawyer ni say ni tikaya Mr. Lawyer no person go committee na animu asene say or the one CD and now send the client say what the one CD abre obi you see e kwanya mo fa so mo gu ni pa animu asene no mo hwe you akwati Mpacho maybe account be your car bank and Mpacho maybe account car bank PLC official bank ya 1 week no omo na funeral committee ye engage omo say omo mra na donations ebeba no omo meye ho adwuma entimi so car bank na officially no omo ehwe eyi ne ho enhyehyɛ ye fatika sikasem ho pacho.
And Pacho, who are the signatories to the account? Any deal?
And who probu committee now? Let me know your line of question. Answer what be said because I'm not the chairman for the committee. May your coordinator. And mami who will line of question. I may provide the appropriate answers.
Because and certainly be about to Jana Chess, a man for your churches kebi ediama a year a man for B. 28,000 Matidis
for being.
So yeah, one penifoni bisikebi horma kwama. So what I'm asking is I am being pacho only maybe your mom is
what did the karma will be next saying Mr. Clarify what answer what be some same way.
And pacho lawyer I can see from mobieti. Say obi ha ye 28,000 Abusuapanin cry baby hotel or koda ye ye church sika e dia man na me bisa say one na signatories to the account
na me bisa o say Abusuapanin a woti jom e ye ne de hye yi na say Abusuapanin abankran na wakwa koda hotel na committee no Abusuapanin ho kopa ne bosia no bisa lawyer ne say no ogina benkuma na say nifa onim je Abusuapanin to be ready such amount for the 1 week observation. I don't know you good yet me good pa finsa. Akwasi emu oya say we do this year. Na what that? Na nipa no be abo chidom. Na what me aye a very successful 1 week. Na we na committee no atenase. Committee ni tenase. Madam Akosia say wa wo hobby. Madam Ernestina Brempoma wo hobby. Abusuapanin ewo hobi
na Pacho representatives nyabuche me too
amunyina ewo hobi ena ye account ye render account wie ye no it was agreed say Abusuapanin entimi emmo kasa nti baby a okoda ye ne de yenhwe na se emmoa bi ewo ho a yemfa nso na sene as a committee, and it was agreed and approved by the committee in the presence of lawyer Okase, the client. And the idea now, person who be go Abusuapanin, I won't fee our Montana Sabi, Wakakofa, Obitika. Why Tikana Wakwaji? Other young Padana, you think we are too cheap? Only me personal on Kamabo. Medicabia Batun and Samaboka. I don't know yet of Donny Akomapa a yard here. Nanny Panobi, I don't want to say Biaso, or move a good Daddy Lumba who a fee. And in any more. Only commitment, somebody like Roman Father, why yet in the scheme of arrangement. I don't know who will be a movie.
Me whom penny for me, no, woman is Felix. Omnisign of Council Pacho. Me whom I am penny for me, no, woman is Felix. The Empacho Council Pacho. Honorable Owusu Amankwa, honorable Pacho.
I don't know you and someone.
Honorable Pacho, Honorable.
What is that?
Honorable Pacho, baby, Pacho, me and yes, I need Pacho for tea. Mama Sebi, need you and committee for Pacho, baby, Pacho. Why? I mean, Busawa semi in Pacho. Me see me whom penny for me, no, a woman is a fellas. Yenya, a YouTuber, blogger, I interview. One more coming. Say, we near his interviews. No, almost 7 say, committee, no, sad date, cram, we say, man consult you. And then we answer, no, council and a lawyer, and one swa. Watch them, we said, Abusuapanin be Abba. One more complaining, said, Nyamana, Kwaya Modium fast with meeting near the Adinano. Moya, Omunim Hushi, and they are not happy, they are complaining. In Pacho, they are now come out, Sasemu.
I wish say Enka me studio Nanka my show WhatsApp platform official communication also nanka wo de wani ahie bi na wahye bi na obi asɛm a ɔka na bɔntene no wahu no kura ɛwɔ mu the best of my knowledge yen last meeting ansa na sabi na ye nyina yesu yenim riche kese ye bo asanteman emra santehem atɔ fom eno ene ka ho ma ye suspending meetings kakra because sabi ohima da fom a ye dan na ye betimi anante mu sɛ ye Daddy Lumba yie ɛho enhyehyɛ at the meeting saying about ye and God is my witness and he's being captured by the minutes now also at the meeting until the obia can be no sabi Abusuano wo secretary ora Gabriel entry adano Abusuapanin na chair meeting no and I'm also as coordinator na me say vice chairman on the committee let us na me no edito the issue of date came up to extend that omo wa bontina omo kasa omo ni mo hwe no Yankopon ne me dance ni say in fact me amenia giga crowd ono ka say I bro nyampo de ya na ticket no ne bo ne e wo soro so at the meeting we agreed because na busuan ni nyina wo ho so we agreed say yeah bronya bosome which is December we were contemplating say either first week or second week at the second week 13th December and I the first week in so 6th December so some people even made statements and answer comments and our contribution say I 5th December no crowd a holiday a national holiday Farmers Day entiane the 6th na ebeboa Messi asemu American onyankopon hata way na semidi tra I was shocked say suddenly every date no ebeto abontene enipa bitimi hwe nyankopon nim pa beka say committee no date no they were not informed akwati emu oya you see it appears that some people are on destructive mission to extend that I said ye pesa ye tu ye bona Daddy Lumba and monyama bata sabi ni di hu any impo na mu hu no yen say no if not and say we go abontini pa Abusuapanin sabi we ye dina ye twapia obi apese wo kaseti ano no tanyini wo obi afio
okay all right okay empacho me de besi but council minim say bia wo bibia beka ebre no asuna yemfensi am yeso say brepem na bibia ye besa ba
me now ask for the opportunity and let me put on record that I represent the sentiment of my clients and better still the family of Lumba. Let me qualify the close family of Lumba, the immediate family of Lumba. I represent their sentiment, and I've spoken loudly about it. Honorable Colin Semikasa, the interviews he has granted is more than the ones I have. The day I offer say, Obiena and I say court to say there's no injunction. Meaning, I was in the court. The court never said that. The court said what? I can pardon him because he's not a lawyer. When a motion is filed, pending the hearing of the application, that thing that you are complaining of, no, is as good as the injunction is granted till the application is moved.
Oh, lawyer. Lawyer, I'm telling you.
You can't. I mean, can you take me as a lawyer?
No.
You are a busybody.
Why are you doing this? I don't know, President Odo Broni. Why are you doing this? Akwati Maminka Semoncherno. Akwati Maminka Semoncherno. Sebi. Lawyer, who tell me
I wanted to avoid.
Lawyer, who tell me the fact that we are practitioner doesn't make you a good lawyer. Maminka Semoncherno. Oh, kasa tie die obi eka. Asemu America say if there's an injunction on the final funeral writer, and court to know and ne court to know ebema public ni ehunu say there's an injunction. I'm coming. Please, I'm coming.
Please, don't lie this afternoon. With all due respect, you just made the same. What is the court said? That's what I'm complaining about. Don't change your language. Please,
Cancel.
I'm not a child.
Cancel. If you're not a child, if you're not a child, behave like an adult. Mami kasa me chira. Why you want to say we go obi anymore say? Are you an adult? What take advantage way? Hey, do obi. Why are you doing that? Are you the only lawyer? Are you the only lawyer in this case? But be a bit adult. I think
Mamenda Masina in face as in Pacho Banjo before.
Mamma lawyer, whether I'm a good lawyer or not, I'm why you never do.
I'm a good lawyer or not, my works will speak. I never have a judgment.
Mamma can't say show. I got
some women now more
I got him a patch me not on Kasa because
that's why I'm going up. Please, doesn't make any comment about me. Otherwise, I will respond to you.
Honorable Odo Broni,
it's so painful, say.
my friend opinion,
No, but
don't do that.
I don't even want to mention this. And then we are. There's this Ghana law report. My lawyer tell me. Now on more research on this very issue. And since
All right,